Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, we are going to see the details regarding the recruitment of management trainee in the Coal India Limited. The Coal India Limited, as you know, it is an Indian government owned coal mining and refining corporation, and it is under the ownership of Ministry of Coal, Government of India. It is the largest coal producing company in the world under Maharatna public sector undertaking. So they have called for the recruitment of management trainee. So first, the number of vacancies. Totally there are 588 vacancies. In that, mining 253 vacancies, electrical 117, mechanical 134, civil 57, industrial engineering 15, and geology 12 vacancies. Now if you want to see this, like the vacancies category wise, here is the list category wise, a total of 588 vacancies. Now you can pause the video to look at the details. Now very importantly, the pay scale. So during the training period, it starts with the basic pay of 50,000 per month. In the pay grade 50,000 to 1,60,000, and then on successful completion of 1 year training and after passing the test, it will be in the E3 grade in the scale of pay of 60,000 to 1,80,000. That is with the basic of 60,000. That's the pay scale. And the important dates. So the online registration has started on 10th of August 2021 from 10 AM, and the last date is 9th of September 2021 midnight. So that's the important date. And as far as the eligibility criteria is concerned, now the upper age limit is 30 years as on 4th August 2021 for the general underserved category and the EWS category candidates. And as far as the other categories are concerned, there is a age relaxation. For example, OBC you have 3 years, for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe 5 years, and so on. So here again you can pause the video to look at the relevant details in the relaxation of age limit. Then the minimum educational qualification for mining, electrical, mechanical, civil and industrial should have BE BTech in the relevant branch with a minimum of 60% marks, and for geology, MSc or MTech in geology or applied geology or geophysics or applied geophysics with a minimum of 60%. Right. Now this 60% is applicable for general category and unreserved like OBC, non-creamy and the EWS. For the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and persons with disability candidates, the relaxation of 5%, that is minimum qualifying marks will be 55%. And in the minimum qualification, so there are certain branches where they have clearly mentioned. Okay, so for example, in electrical, okay, so they have said electrical and electronics is relevant. Okay, so what is not eligible is instrumentation control, power system, power electronics. Okay, so like this, these branches are said to be not eligible. Likewise, in terms of as far as the mechanical discipline is concerned, relevant branches mechanical engineering, whereas branches like production, industrial, automation, thermal, manufacturing engineering, these are not eligible. Likewise, in civil engineer, civil with architecture or structural engineering or any other combination with civil engineering is not eligible. And as far as industrial engineering is concerned, production and industrial engineering or any other such combination with industrial engineer is not eligible branch. Now essential qualification, very important, valid GATE score from GATE 2021. Okay, so the previous GATE scores are not valid, only GATE 2021 scores are valid. Of course, the students, the candidates who are passing out in 2021 can also apply. So people who are passing out in 2021 and who have a valid GATE score can apply for this. And of course, earlier batches also can apply, but you should have the GATE score only from 2021. Okay, now based on the GATE score, they will shortlist the candidates discipline wise, category wise in the ratio 1:1.5. okay, that is if there is 2 vacancies, they'll call 3 candidates, like that. So 1:1.5 ratio they will call for further process. So after this, so once you apply, based on the marks, they will shortlist and then they will update the shortlisted candidates list in the Coal India website. So based on that list, the candidates will be called for the document verification and then further medical examination. Now this is the link to apply for this particular hiring, and so the link is given in the description below. You can click on that to apply for this drive if you are eligible. And as far as the fees is concerned, for the general category OBC and EWS, it's 1000 rupees plus GST of 180, so total of 1180. That's the application fee. And for the candidates belonging to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, PWD, and the employees of Coal India Limited and the subsidiaries are exempted from the payment of application fee. And also remember, you have to sign an service agreement bond for 5 years, that is 60 months, and the candidates will be required to execute a service agreement bond of 3 lakhs plus GST as applicable at the time of joining. And of course, medical fitness, as prescribed by the company's medical committee, that is mandatory. So once the document verification is over, the candidates will be called for the medical fitness, and after that finally the final offer will be given. So I hope the information I have provided in this video was useful to you. Now if you have any queries, please do post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer your questions. Now if you found this video useful, click on that like button and share it with your friends, and if you are not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.